Supercharged Camry. Y'all hear that Supercharged Camry, man? Oh, let me see. That thing sounds good.
Yo, y'all ready? Hey, yo, Zay, what up? I had to do it, bro. Hey, we up at Toyotas and them Lexus, ooh wee. We up in them Chevys and them Dodgers, ooh wee. We up at Toyotas and them Lexus, ooh wee. We up in them Chevys and them Dodgers, ooh wee. Now we swerving with Zay. Now we getting litty all day. Now we swerving with Zay. Now we getting litty all day.
What it do, YouTube? This your boy Zay TRD. Hey man, y'all smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure y'all turn that post notification bell on so you miss no updates, cause you know Mr. Ooh is in the building, man. Hey man, I ain't watched my car dirty, man. It rained on me at work yesterday all day, you know. So it's whatever. I'm gonna meet today, riding dirty. My car not gonna be clean. It look clean on camera, but it is filthy. Y'all see, I still got them times from the drag strip, man. I ain't watched my car in about 2 weeks, something like that. But I've been good if it ain't rain like all weekend, you know what I'm saying? All week, so it's all good, man. But I'm heading to this Camry barbecue meet, you know what I'm saying? People coming from Dallas, San Antonio, also of course the Houston Cam fam. So big old Camry meet. So hope y'all enjoy the content, man. I might eat, I don't know, but you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a lit time, man. So y'all just tune in and enjoy this content, you know what I'm saying? A lot of modded cars gonna be out here, man. So y'all gonna see this good old JDM content today, man. Yes, indeed, like say Fool Alonzo say. But anyway, man, thank y'all for y'all support, man. Thank y'all for rocking with the channel, man. The whole ooh-wee gang, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate every last one of y'all, man. Man, I appreciate everybody, man. I really do appreciate all y'all, man. But anyway, man, let me get to the meet, and I'm gonna turn the camera back on. If I see something, y'all know how I do. I might show it, I might not. But anyway, man, when I get to the park, say, man, about to be lit. It's hot too, so get this footage and dip, man. Get the footage and dip. Of course, I'm going to, you know, chop it up with my boys, you know what I'm saying, and chill for a long time. But I'm going to get my footage, and I'm going to cut the camera off and record no more. I ain't got my, you know what I'm saying. So, but anyway, man, before I talk to y'all for too long, because y'all know I get to talking, here y'all go. A little warm start, you know what I'm saying. A little purr action, you know what I'm saying. A little something, man. A little something. But anyway, man, I'll catch y'all a little bit. Alright, y'all. Usually I show y'all something on the way to the meets and stuff, but I ain't seen nothing. Usually it's like a C8, usually it's like a 370Z or something, or you know, old schools. You never know. But today I ain't seen nothing. But it's a beautiful day, you know what I'm saying. So I'm about 9 minutes away. So the next clip, y'all gonna see me at the spot. You know what I'm saying, pulling in. So anyway, man, catch y'all a little bit over here and everything, man. I don't know if there was there beforehand, but we here. Y'all see the cop, and y'all see the whole Camry gang over here, man. Straight TRDs, man. Y'all see them, man. Y'all see everybody. Y'all see everybody, man. Yes, sir. My car is filthy. My car is filthy, but y'all see the constables and everything, man. It's crazy. Crazy. Y'all see everybody with the big wings. What they doing? They shut it down or something? I don't know. That's how I gotta get out the grass. But y'all see them, man. Y'all see everybody, man. Y'all see everybody, man. Y'all see all the cameras.
What up, baby?
What's going on, man? Y'all. That is hilarious. They all in the grass, man. But y'all see the cameras, man. There's a lot of content out here, man. This is retarded. All these boys out here in the grass. Boy, this is crazy. What's going on, man? What's going on, man?
About time you showed up.
Hey, I was at a funeral.
Alright.
Yeah, man. So.
Find a parking spot.
Yeah, I'm not. Huh?
You can't go that way. The cop cars over there. Constable's right there.
Oh yeah, he blocking it off all the way off. Alright, that's a bit. Y'all see we at the Gen8Kamuri meetup. We at the same place as last time y'all see me. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see everybody. Y'all see the TRDs, man. Y'all see them, man. I like this gold one right here, man. This gold one crazy. See this one right here, man. This a gold TRD, man. All the way gold. I like that with the matte black. Yes, sir, man. Them motherfuckers hitting. It remind me of Gen8Kamuri right here, but y'all see the IG right here, man. Y'all go tap in, y'all see him. He got an AM air intake, man. Man, this mother look good in gold, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this mother look good. Man, it look good. Got the cops over there, got 3 cops, you know what I'm saying? What's going down, bro?
About the max SE
Uh-oh.
for the TRD.
Uh-oh.
You know what I'm saying?
It's upgrades, okay, that's okay.
What's happening, man?
What's going on, man? You doing good?
That pass you on the highway 45?
Nuh-uh. I ain't see you. I ain't see nobody on the way here.
Everybody been here. We been at?
I been at the funeral.
Oh, okay.
Y'all go subscribe to Triple Digits, man.
Go get the new headlights.
I'm about to go check it out. Y'all see Triple Digits, man. Y'all see the cops too, man. Y'all see the cops over here heavy. But y'all see them, man. Triple Digits. The cops talking about don't do no burnouts. I'm like, we can't do no burnout. I mean, we can, but we ain't, you know what I'm saying? But y'all see my boy Triple Digits. Y'all see him, man. What? I like these headlights, bro. I like them headlights, man. I thought that was playing. I seen something similar to this on IG with the super headlights. I like them crown jewel. That's some Lexus headlights. Yeah, you got them Lexus headlights. That's what that is. The Lexus headlights, man. I like that, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like that, man. You got the camera boys getting them pictures in, man. Y'all see them getting the pictures in. Beautiful paint, man. You see the pearls in this paint, man. Ooh, wait. Look at that tickle little star, man. Y'all see that pearl in the paint, man? Sheesh. Y'all see them getting them pictures, though. You got the cops over there, man, but y'all see them getting pictures in. You can do a little thumbnail picture like this. It might be a potential thumbnail, y'all. Potential thumbnail. I don't know if I'm using it or not, but this is the thumbnail, man. Right here. Maybe. We're going to see if it could be a thumbnail picture or not. What's going on, man? Doing good?
What's going on?
Doing good. What's going on, man? Doing good, doing good. Your car look good, man. Boy, on the airbags, man. Y'all see him, man. Boy is in the airbags. Boy got the Magnaflows. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see him, man. Y'all see him. Y'all see him. But y'all see how the TRDs in one little spot, you know what I'm saying? They got the TRDs in one spot, you know what I'm saying? They got the gold and black one, mine right there in the middle. I'm trying to get a good thumbnail right here, but that light exposure might mess up the picture, you know what I'm saying? I'm not sure how it's gonna work. I'm gonna just try to go like this. I don't know how I'm gonna do this thumbnail picture though, but you know, we out here, you know. This gold one is crazy though. But Gen8Kamuri on Instagram got a gold and a black. Got an SE right here, or XSE. That's the SE. Yeah, them headlights look good, bro.
Huh?
That's some Lexus headlights, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it look good. I like that. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Are you getting some?
Nah, I keep my car stock as long as possible. Y'all see the 86, man? Toyota 86. Y'all see the Toyotas came through. Got that Nissan Maxima. He came crash the party. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all all that in the middle in a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But y'all see that right there though? Another SC, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see that thing? See my boy? Dang, sounds good. Got the Honda right here, man. Y'all see that right there? Follow me on Instagram, man. Blue AC Cruiser. Y'all see him, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see him, man. Y'all see him. Yes, sir. That mother look good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see him, man. I'm gonna get another thumbnail picture like this. I'm gonna take a whole bunch of pictures, y'all, because I don't know how I'm gonna do this thumbnail picture, man. But y'all see this black and red one, though. This is not a TRD, but it's an SE with a whole bunch of arrow kits and fog lights. And this is different, man. I like that black with the red. I like your project, bro. I like your project, man. This mode look good. This one I seen last time. Got the big Wayne gang on here, man. Y'all see that big Wayne gang? Got this crazy diffuser, though. Look at that diffuser, though. Ooh, wait. Got the black on black TRD, man. Y'all see him, man. Y'all see him. The black on blacks are hard, man. I'm telling y'all. About to head out, bro?
Yeah.
All right,
I'll
man.
probably be back.
All right, that's a bit. I'll be here for a little bit.
All right, cool.
Y'all see black on black TRD, man. We both stock, you know what I'm saying? But them mother look good. Y'all see them, man. Black on black. They got mine parked over here, you know. Got the white, got the gold, the white, black, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, y'all see us all parked anywhere, any kind of way, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of cameras out here, man. Y'all about to see them over here, man. Y'all see them, man. Y'all see them. Got the custom splitter. Got my boy right here. Y'all see my boy right here. I ain't seen him for a long time, but y'all see him, man. Y'all see them lights. Y'all see the lights. Y'all see him. Got the carbon fiber everywhere. Y'all see the wheels, man. Going down, bro. Y'all see this red one right here, man. I think they all leaving. I'm gonna go ahead and get Itllbuffout Gen 8 right quick for y'all, man. But y'all see Itllbuffout Gen 8 right here, man. Itllbuffout Gen 8. First time seeing the car in person, man. Y'all go follow Instagram, man. She got a car wrapped all purple, man. This thing is hard, man. Dang. Like, y'all can't tell me cameras don't look good when they got mods done to them, man. These all look good, man. We all modded. When I get my ideas correct, I'ma come hard, man. Man, this is look good, man. This purple look good. Man, this look good. This look good. Y'all see that thing though? Y'all see it, man. All custom, man. All custom. I can't even see it in my phone because so much sunlight. This mother got a little sparkle going on. Got it selling out the pink glitter wrap. That's different. This mother look good. I think that's Snow Camry. I bet that's Snow Camry. I remember them. I know them wheels. I bet that's Snow Camry, man. Them mother look good, man. Y'all see them. Them mother hard. You got my boy right here with this. Y'all see them on bags, man. I couldn't even see it on my phone, y'all. I hope this video coming out good. I can't see. Like, it's so bright out here. My screen look black. That's how much light it is out here, man. I'm taking a whole bunch of thumbnail pictures, y'all. Just to let y'all know, cause I don't know how I'm gonna do this thumbnail, man. There's so many great cars out here, man. I got copyright, so I'm gonna put the music on over here, man. But y'all see them, man. Y'all see them. Y'all see them, man. You got Lucifer coming through, man. You got Lucifer coming through, but y'all see him, man. Fabrication. You got Lucifer came through. What's going on, dog? Doing good? What's up, man? Man, your car low. Car is low. Y'all see Lucifer though? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How you doing? Y'all see Lucifer though, man. That boy looking good. Yes, sir. Y'all see Lucifer, man. The loudest inline 4 camera you gonna hear, man. That mother sound good for a straight pipe. But y'all see this thing, man. Y'all see that thing. You know what I'm saying? Let me go catch these people over here, man. Let me go catch these over here, man. I don't wanna miss nobody, you know what I'm saying? I don't miss nobody, you know what I'm saying? But y'all see these things. Y'all see these things. Got the IS300 over there. But I think somebody called my name. I could have swore. But y'all see this thing? Pretty, sitting pretty, man. Sitting pretty. You got the Honda came through, man. Got the Instagram right here. Honda crashed to me, you know what I'm saying? It's all good. But y'all see them, man. Y'all see TRD supercharger on this thing, man, from Lotus. Y'all see that thing? Man, y'all see that thing, man. Y'all see that thing, man. Got that supercharger. Don't play with him, man. Don't play with him. Be a thumbnail right here, man. It's gonna be a thumbnail like this. I'm trying to do a thumbnail right here. You gonna see, but this is a supercharged Camry, man. Y'all see that thing? TRD right here, man. The simple. Y'all see that thing? They got a big old color chip on that thing. That's a big old color killer. Got the smoked out tail lights, man. You see the Instagram, man. Y'all go follow right there, Angie5050. You know what I'm saying? They got slow Yoda 2.5. I ain't never seen them before, but got carbon fiber everywhere. Got the wheels, niche wheels. Thing looking good, man. I said the carbon fiber handles, man. Carbon fiber handles and the caps. Sheesh. Y'all see these boys over here, man? Got the blue one right here, man. Yes, sir. The mug lowered. On that should be on bad. He gotta be on bad. That's kind of low. I like this design right here, man. It look good. That look good. Niche wheels too. Yeah, man. Thing look good. Got the other TRD from last time. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure why his tail lights fogging up though. That's kind of weird. Maybe they do like a tail light swap or something and put it back. I don't know. I don't know. But y'all see these things, man. I like that touch. You know what I'm saying? I like that touch a lot. And he got the fog lights added on. Y'all seen them last time, man. This thing look good. This thing look real good, man. He got the Batmobile type of thing going down. That little cover thing. Like that. You see that thing? You got this one. I don't even know what that say. I think it say L. I don't even know. But y'all see the Ferradas on the wheels, man. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Y'all see these boys, man. You got the black hood right there, man. Got the blue. Y'all see them boys, man. Got the Ferradas. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's going on, man? Doing good? Doing good, man. They don't look good, man. Y'all see them things. Look at that diffuser, though. Sheesh. That diffuser is crazy. I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Man, my boy Texas DeVille right here, man. He got the subs in the back too, man. Now I see him, man. I see the wheels. Ooh, wee. Crazy. Crazy. You got the smoked out headlights too to match it. Got the black on black. Y'all see the Camrys, man. We out here deep, man. Y'all out here deep. I'm getting ideas too while I'm out here, man. Y'all see you got the fog lights down here instead of like right there. He got his on the side, you know what I'm saying? But you got this other TRD right here, man. He took off his the spoiler, but y'all see the TRD, man. He got aftermarket wheels. He painted his he got the TRD etched into the brake calipers. Carbon fiber caps. But y'all see the TRD on this thing, man. TEQ. TRD, man. This is a real TRD. Got quad exhaust set up now instead of the two. The quad exhaust look good. I wonder what the size is on this thing. It's probably like a 3.5 inch. Probably more than that. I don't even know. But that might look good though. It fits. Probably a MagnaFlow system too. Yep, MagnaFlow. Y'all see that MagnaFlow? MagnaFlow. You know what I'm saying? Got another quad tip right here, man. You got the Acropovic quad system on the SC. They got the flags and stuff. I think that's the oh, Jefferson 96. There you go, man. Y'all see him. Got the red on here too, baby. Jefferson 96, man. You gonna tap it on Instagram. My boy. Y'all see him, man. He got that little scorpion thing on the emblem. You know, got this all black one right here, man. Looking pretty stock. Got my boy right here with the wrap. I seen him last time we came out, man. My boy with this wrap, man. This mug is pressure in the sun, man. Ooh, y'all see this thing, man. Y'all see these things, man? This the hardest wrap, man. I'm telling y'all. One of the hardest wraps you're gonna see. Custom tail lights from High Rail Sports. Man. Y'all see this thing. I'm hoping I get in the whole car on the camera. I really can't see my screen, man, cause like it's just too sunny, man. But this mother look good though. Y'all see that thing, man. Got my boy. Oh, you good? You got my boy Alex right here, 3.5. You know what I'm saying? That new wrap you got, partial wrap, it look good, bro. He only got one side done, but that mother look good. Look real good, man. Looks real good, man. Got the lights on and everything, man. That's my boy Alex. And you got this one right here, man. His car still on. But y'all see him, man. Y'all see him. Y'all see him. He's Texas TQ. Y'all see my boy. Yes, sir. Here's some Texas Cam gang, man. Got this red ass seats. Them look pretty, man. You know, airbags apparently. Got the quad tips, man. Y'all see that thing, man. Y'all see that thing. This red paint look good on all of them, man. Y'all see them. Y'all see them.
So I told him, you have pretty much everything. You know,
Y'all see that thing.
You guys want to talk about?
I need some airbags, man. I need some airbags, man. God, they look good. Airbags. I got this gray one right here. Brown. I don't know. Flake gray. Y'all see the wheels on that thing. Camry Crew sticker on that thing. Got the boost. Got the base in the back. Y'all see that thing. Got this Camry right here, man. Got the crazy wheels. I like them wheels. Things look good. Things look good, man. Y'all see them, man. Riding clean. Boys is riding clean, man. Y'all see them. Y'all see them. But yeah, man, y'all see where I parked at, you know what I'm saying? They had a black TRD parked in the middle of us, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, me right here, this TRD, got that gold TRD. I wanna hear him start his up, because he got an AM cold air intake. So I wanna see how that mug sound, man. That gold with pressure, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It might be my thumbnail picture, man. It might be my thumbnail picture, man. I don't know. I just gotta take pictures of that thing. That thing is too pressure. I'm gonna hurt my eyes. Are so shiny, man. I can't lie to y'all. That mother's so shiny it hurt my eyes. He got smoked out headlights too. I just noticed that. Smoked out headlights. That look good. That look good. That look good. I'm trying to get a thumbnail, y'all. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, man. I'm gonna probably go like this. You know what I'm saying? Just see my boy Lucifer over here, man. Boy Lucifer over here, man. Y'all getting them pictures, man. I might do them pictures right here and do it like this, you know what I'm saying? Do it like this, do it like that. Yeah, I might do it like this, man. I might do it like this. Y'all see her taking them professional pictures, man. Them like this. I don't know. We gonna see. I can't really see nothing. Like I said, my screen too dark. But anyway, man. And y'all see my boy with this con bump on this thing, man. Y'all see this thing. Ooh, wait. Man, that mother look good, man. Way more aggressive than my bumper, any bumper out here, man. Y'all see that thing. Y'all see it. This thing is crazy. Supercharged Camry. Y'all hear that supercharged Camry, man? Oh, let me see. That thing sounds good. Yeah, man, that's gonna conclude this video, man. I'm gonna go chop it up with my cam fam, you know what I'm saying? Go play some kickball. I'm playing kickball somewhere up there. It's kind of high. I might play some kickball, you know what I'm saying? So, anyway, man, this is your boy Zay TRD. Y'all smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure y'all turn that post notification bell on so you miss no bangers. Cause Mr. Ooh-wee is out the building, man. Catch y'all next banger.